Hello there and welcome to the first edition of Tim's Tips with Only Boys Aloud, your guide to improving your ability as a singer. And the first thing we're going to do today is find out exactly what is the voice, because it's all hidden inside. It's quite difficult to see and quite difficult to know what's going on. So I'm going to liken it to this handy balloon that I have here. Basically in your neck you've got your voice box or your larynx, and in that you've got your vocal cords or your vocal folds, and they look a little bit like these two little bits in this rubber balloon here. Two bits of membrane that vibrate when air passes over them. So much like this when I blow into this balloon. Now the sound that the balloon makes as the air escapes, that's exactly what happens in your voice. The air travels over your vocal folds, gets them to vibrate and starts to make a sound. So over the next couple of weeks we're going to start to be learning how to control that air, how to use that voice better, and hopefully improve your singing.